Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a 5 of RC LiPo battery low voltage alarm. It goes from 1 cell all the way to 8 cells. This is a buzzer indicator checker tester LEDs. So I got this for $9.95, free shipping. With the tax and everything, it's $10.82. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. So as you can see, I got 5 of this. Let's go ahead and open one for you guys to check it out. So yeah, you got like 2 of the buzzer right here. And then there's a button right here for the tester. And then you got the LED digitizer right there. So you'll be connected this to your connector. So there's your positive, negative. Got the positive right here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, if you have a 9 pin, then that means you have 8 cells. So the positive terminal goes here. And then you got the 1 cell, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cells. Okay. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.